Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D3, chapter number 1, exercise 1B, that is about the solution of quadratic equation by formula. Students, in this lesson we will be learning the application of quadratic formula on question number 1, basic level. Let me read the question from the book. Question 1 says, solve each of the following equations, and the first part is that x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. First of all, we have to see whether the given equation is in standard form or not. And when we are talking about the standard form, that means the square term must be in the beginning, then the product term, and then constant, and the right hand side must be 0. Yes, the given equation is in standard form, and after that we have to compare the given equation with the general standard equation of form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and identify a, b and c. So a of the question is 1, a equals to 1, b equals to 4 and c equals to 1. Okay, I have to be really careful. A equals to 1, b equals to 4 and c equals to 1. And now what I have to do, I have to replace the values of a, b and c in the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now we have to replace the values of a, b and c in the formula carefully. X equals to minus b, b is 4 plus minus b square is 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 1. Okay, and then what we have to do is we have to divide the whole term, this whole expression, by 2a, 2 into 1. Okay, after replacing the values, you have to reconfirm your data as well, that b is 4 and b square is 4 square minus 4 into 1, and then what we have to do, x equals to minus 4 plus minus square of 4 is 16 minus 4, and I have to divide this by 2a, which is 2. Okay, and now the question will take the form x equals to minus 4 plus minus square root 12 by 2. Now what we have to do is that we have to find the value of square root 12. Square root 12 is 3.464. So this equation will take the form minus 4 plus minus 3.464 by 2. Okay, after that we have to go for either our condition. Either x will be equal to minus 4 plus 3.464 by 2, or x equals to minus 4 minus 3.464 by 2. Okay, and then take away 3.464 from 4 minus 3.464, and this gives me minus, because 4 is bigger and it has a negative sign, with that 536 by 2, and then when I'm dividing it by 2, my answer comes minus 0.268, or what we can do is 4 and 3 is 7, which is minus 7.464 divided by 2, and when I'm dividing 7.464 by 2, answer comes minus 3.732, minus 3.732. Okay, 732. Okay, two solutions are, or two roots are, x equals to minus 0.268 or minus 3.732. I hope you are really clear about this question. Very easy question. Due to the use of quadratic formula, the questions become really easy. Okay, moving to the second question, and let me compare the question with book. Second question is 3x square plus 6x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, I always advise it to my students that before solving the question, you must have to compare the data with the book, so that if there is any problem with the question, that can be corrected in the beginning. And now recall what we have to do. We have to compare given equation with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and identify a, b and c. This time I'm mentioning a, b and c in this way. This is b and this is c. Okay, so after identification of a, b and c, what we have to do is that a equals to 3, b equals to 6 and c equals to minus 1. Okay, then I have to insert the values carefully in the formula. X equals to minus b plus minus, and then b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, and divided by 2a. Okay, and this will give me I have to insert the values carefully. X equals to minus b. Okay, b is 6, minus 6 plus minus, then what we have to do, 6 square minus 4 into a is positive 3 and c is minus 1. C is minus 1, and upon 2 into 3. Okay, so this is 2 times 3. Value of a is 3. And now what we have to do, we should have good command on integers and squares. So 6 square is 36. Okay, look, this is minus sign of the formula, and we are having one more sign, so minus multiplied by minus will become plus 12. Okay, plus 4 times 3 is 12 upon 6. And now what we have to do is x equals to minus 6 plus minus, okay, add them up. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 plus 1 is 4, 48 upon 6. And now what we have to do, we have to check square root 48. Square root 48 will be 6.928. 6.928. Okay, this is closer to 49, and square of 49 is 7. You have to go for the mental calculations as well. Plus minus, this is 6.928 upon 6. Okay, now we have to go for either or condition. Either or condition, and that will give me x equals to minus 6 minus 6.928 by 6, or what we can do is x equals to minus 6 plus 6.928 upon 6. When I'm adding 6 and 6, this will give me minus 12.928 by 6. Okay, and then what we have to do, 12.928 divided by 6, this gives me 2.1546. 2.15, okay, 2.154 and 6, and that can be approximately taken as 2.15 and 5. Okay, I have to give my answer to 3 significant figures. So for 3 significant figures, it will be minus 2.15. Okay, coming to the second part, x equals to, when I am taking away 6 from 6, I will left with 0.928. Okay, 6 minus 6.928, and this gives me 0.928 by 6, or that will be, because 928 is bigger, so it will be positive, divided by 6, and this gives me 0.154, 0.154 and 6. Okay, and this can be taken as approximately 0.15 and 5. Okay, these are the three significant figures. I hope you are clear about today's class. I have to write my answer finally. So x equals to 0. This is positive 155 or minus 2.15. These are the two solutions or roots of this equation. Really easy questions. You just have to insert the values in the formula, and you have to perform the calculations, and you'll get your solution easily. Please give preference to the midterm breakage or quadratic formula unless the examiner asks you to use completing square method. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.